Well, will it go? Get them. You get them lined up. You're having trouble with the door lock. We're going to have some parts left over, that's for sure. We're over here trying to fix some of these locks on these doors. Can you get them started? Yeah, you get them lined up, you pretty much got it then. It'll pull together in there. It looks like you got it about started. As long as it don't get tight on you, you got them straight. Let me get mine started over here. Oh, boy. Okay, y'all, let me go on and finish putting this door locks in here. Right quick. Talk to you later.